Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Here is Vivo V15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can do color temperature adjustment in your phone Vivo V15. First go to the settings in your phone. Go to settings in your phone and go to display and brightness. Then here select color temperature adjustment and default color temperature is here. If you would like to use warmer, choose here. If you move to the left side, it will be cooler. You can also place anywhere in between this line. Okay. See the changes. If you would like to set to default, just you go to click on default there. Just tap on default and default color temperature will be appeared. So in this way you can easily do color adjustment for your phone Vivo V15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.